Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Aarti Sohaliar, and class teacher of section 3E. So far, we have completed two chapters, question answers, summary, word meanings, and also homework has been given to you all. I hope you all have completed, and if you have any confusion, you can upload in Campus Care so that we can address your problem. Today I will start with grammar portion of chapter 2. You have already done nouns. Now I'll start with pronouns. Now, before I start with pronoun, I will give you few examples so that you can understand very well. Example 1. Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohan Lal drives children to school every day. What is the example I have given? Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohan Lal drives children to school every day. Now I'll give the third sentence. Right, everyone? Mr. Mohan Lal is a jovial man. I have given how many sentences? 3 sentences. Now, all 3 sentences describes Mr. Mohan Lal, isn't it? All 3 sentences describes Mr. Mohan Lal. Now, instead of repeating his name, we can use the pronoun he. Now, in 3 sentences, we are using Mr. Mohan Lal. Now, instead of repeating his name, Mr. Mohan Lal, we can use the pronoun he. What can we use? The pronoun he. Like, Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. Again, I repeat once again, Mr. Mohan Lal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. So, in the first example we saw, instead of using name Mr. Mohan Lal, we use pronoun he. What is the word we use? He. He is the pronoun. Now the definition. Pronouns are simple words that takes the place of noun in a sentence. What are pronouns, children? Pronouns are simple words that takes the place of noun in a sentence. Now, the point number 1. We use pronouns to avoid using nouns. What we do? We use pronouns to avoid using nouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns what are the pronouns? Which comes in the naming part of the sentences. Which comes in the naming part of sentences. Now, I give you one example. Can I help you to do your homework? Can I help you to do your homework? What are the pronouns we use here? I, you, etc. Now I come to the second point. We use he or him when we talk about a boy or a man. We use he or him when we talk about a boy or a man. We use he or she, her or she when we talk about a girl or a woman. So again I repeat, point number 2, we use he and him when we talk about a boy or a man. We use he or she when we talk about a girl or a woman. You just write these points. These points are very important. It will help you to solve your questions. Now I come to the second point. We use he, him, she, her instead of a single person. What we use? We use he, him, she, her instead of name of a single person. Again I repeat, we use he, him, she, her instead of name of single person. Now the second point. They and them are used when we talk of more person or things. Again I repeat, we use they and them when we talk about more person or things. Now again I repeat, we use he, him, she, her instead of name of single person. You just remember this, of single person. Now second is, they and them are used when we talk of more person or things. When we talk of more person or things. Example, he is my brother. I saw him on the beach. She is my sister. They are playing. Now again I repeat once again. He is my brother. I saw him on the beach. She is my sister. They are playing. He is used for the brother. She is used for the sister. Where they are playing? Both are playing. Where they are playing? They are playing together. So he and she has been combined as they, and they are playing, and it has been used as play. They are playing. Now the second point. We use it. When we talk about a thing or an animal. We use it when we talk about a thing or an animal. It is a very beautiful place. It is a small toy. That's all for today, and you just go through the entire lesson. If you have any problem, I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you. Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are keeping well. Now I have come back with part 2 to explain pronouns. In part 1 already I explained about pronoun along with definition and examples. This is the continuation of part 1. In part 2 I will just give 3 more explanations, and then I will come to few exercises. Now I, he, she and it are used for the singular nouns, and for plural nouns we use we, they as pronouns. Again I repeat, I, he, she and it are used for singular nouns, and we, they are used for plural nouns. For example, the village is far away, it is very clean. In this example, the village is far away, it is very clean. Now you just notice one thing, the village is not repeated in the second part. The village is far away. Now we have used in the second part, it is very clean. Now when it is used, it is used because village is the singular noun. Have you understood? Again I repeat, the village is far away, it is very clean. Here what we have used? It instead of the word village. There is no repetition. Now I come to example 2. It is an important game. Do you have a pet? It is an important game. Do you have a pet? What is the pronoun used here? It. It is an important game. The name of the game is not given. Second part is, do you have a pet? So what is the pronoun used here? You. What is the pronoun used here? You. You. The words me, him, her, it, us are also pronouns. Again I repeat, the words me, him, her, it, us, you are also pronouns. Like, he is my father, I adore him. He is my father. What is the pronoun in this sentence? He. He is referring to father. What is the other pronoun? I adore him. I is the another pronoun. Adore him. Him is again pronoun used. So you can see in one sentence, the entire sentence is explaining about the father. Okay, description is about the father. He is my father. Name is not given. Yes, he is my father. He is the pronoun. Comma, I adore him. Again, the name of the person is not given. Everything is being indicated to father. I adore him. I is again pronoun. Adore him. Again, him. Him is indicating father. Have you understood? Now I come to another point. It's very important. There's one pronoun you. You is used in both singular and plural nouns. You is used in both singular and plural nouns. You is a pronoun which is used in both singular and plural nouns. You are my parents, I am proud of you. You are my parents, I am proud of you. So here in this sentence we see, you are my parents, you are my parents. You is the pronoun used for parents, and in the second sentence, what is the pronoun used? Again you. How it is used? I am proud of you. You are my parents, I am proud of we. So you is used in both singular and plural noun. So in this case you don't get confused. Now I come to section C. Section C of there are few questions. Okay, we are going to solve. Just see. Now you have to the section A. Sorry, section A. Section A is circle the pronouns from the words given below. Now you have to circle the pronouns from the words given below. Okay, now I come to question number 1. Book, my, it. Book, comma, my, comma, it. So what are the pronouns we are going to circle? My and it. Question number 2. It, cat, them. It, comma, cat, comma, them. What are the pronouns you are going to circle? It and them. We come to question number 3. Paper, we, road. So what are the pronouns we can circle here? We. Only we will circle we. W-E. Question number 4. They, car, they, comma, car, comma, she. So what are the pronouns we are going to circle? They and she, as we had discussed in the previous sections. Now I come to question number 5. Him, lost, us. So what are the pronouns? Him and us. What are the pronouns here? Him and us. Now I come to next question 6. Bright, their, her. Bright, comma, their, her. So what are the pronouns here? Their and her. We are going to circle their and her. These are the 6 questions which I have given you. I hope you have understood. You have to circle and write in the copies so that we can check and upload in the campus care.